Takoyaki Cafe. Located in between Guam Reef and Westin Hotel in Tumon, call them today at 648-TAMA. And we're back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, here's a recap of Summer of Sounds when they took over Jimmy Dees.
All right, everyone, we're coming to an end with SOS 2016 this year. We have our second to the last party at Jimmy Dee's right now with all the DJs playing, so let's check it out. I'm here with the man behind the scenes, Vince. Hi, Vince. How you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling pretty good. We're here at Jimmy Dee's. It's a wet night. It's a windy night, but we're all having a really good time. If you didn't make it out tonight, make sure you check us next week. We're going to be at the Beach Bar. It's August 20th. It's the Made in America Flyaway Party. It's your last chance to become a finalist to go and watch these great acts Labor Day weekend in Philadelphia. It's Coldplay, Rihanna, 2 Chainz, Lil Wayne. Make sure you come down. The Dolls are going to be performing live. Rock Bottom's going to be there. There's going to be lots of food, lots of drinks, good times to be had. So make sure you join us at the Beach Bar.
All right, thank you, Vince.
Thank you.
It's been a fun summer so far, so we hope to see you guys at our last party. What's up, everyone? I'm here with the one and only DJ Oz. What's up, Oz? How are you feeling tonight, and what do you think about SOS this whole year?
It's been a great year so far. Last year was really good. This year was even better. More people kept coming on out, and every party just got bigger and bigger, and this is number 12, and we're killing it tonight.
All right, Oz. We always love having you here at the parties. So can you let us know where you'll be gigging at this year?
You can catch me on Saturday nights over at the venue starting next Saturday, so it'll be awesome.
All right, thank you, Oz. You guys heard it here first on 994. All right, everyone, that's it for tonight. It was a crazy night. We had a storm, but we still had our loyal party goers. If you didn't check us out tonight at Jimmy Dee's, we'll be posted up at Beach Bar for the last one. So let's give it up for our sponsors. We have Current Guam, Hafaloha, Timeless Brand, Crowns Guam, etc., Gold Tooth, Chamarita Swimwear, Salon and Vogue, Rasta and Company, Anywhere Clothing, Classic Professional Tattooing, Stone Styly, IT&E, Budweiser, and the station that's always blazing, I-94. Hope to see you guys at our last one.
And for a complete recap, make sure to head on over to IT&E's page on Facebook. Coming up, we have the 6th week of GVB's signature event, Summer Beach Fest. And we close out the show with music from the Cruise duo, When In The Mix returns.
Your community calendar is brought to you by Taco Bell. Whether it's your first meal or your 4th meal, we've got you covered. Taco Bell, live Más.